complain about the plasticky interior, but that dashboard is literally the only reason you survived that fender bender. Let's talk polymer engineering. Back in 1950, cars were basically rolling tanks. Heavy steel, brutal, but steel has a fatal flaw. It doesn't want to die. It just transfers the force straight into your chest. Enter the polymer revolution. Engineers realized that to survive a crash, you have to lose weight. Lighter cars mean less kinetic energy. Less energy means your organs don't have to file a formal complaint with the coroner. But here's the real magic. Crumple zones. They sound like a joke, but they're pure physics. By designing specific sections to deform predictably, we stretch the impact time. Doubling the crash duration halves the peak deceleration. That means your body experiences forces your skeleton can actually tolerate. Steel would just bounce, plastic gives, and giving saves your spine. So when you whine about cheap-feeling buttons, remember, that soft-touch dash is a controlled collapse zone. It's not trying to impress your date. It's trying to absorb 3,000 joules of kinetic violence. Manufacturers didn't switch to polymers to save you $100 on upholstery. They did it because thermoplastics can be tuned. You can mix glass fibers, impact modifiers, and flame retardants to create a material that literally screams, "Eat the impact, not the passenger." And thermally, polymers handle heat like a dream. You can't cast steel in complex shapes without melting your mold. But injection-molded composites, they snap together with micron-level precision. That's how we get seamless safety cages without adding dead weight. And don't even get me started on the seats. That foam isn't for your lumbar support. It's a distributed load buffer. It spreads the G-force across your pelvis instead of snapping your hips like a dry twig. The industry sells you luxury cabins. The engineering reality is a survival capsule wrapped in marketing fluff. Comfort is a lie. Survival is the spec. Every single bolt, every seam, every polymer blend is optimized for one thing: keeping your heartbeat on the monitor. So next time you're stuck in traffic, listening to that engine rattle through a composite firewall, just nod. You're riding inside a masterpiece of material science. You're alive because chemistry beat physics. And if you still think steel is superior, congrats. You're suffering from a nostalgia skill issue. Drop your hottest take in the comments. Let's see if your opinion can survive a 50-mile-per-hour impact.